Hey Grok, navigate to LAX International Airport.
Navigating to Los Angeles International Airport, about 54 miles away, ETA 1:01 p.m. Let me know if you want to add stops or change anything.
Hey Grok, I'd like to stop by a pizza place that has a review higher than 4.5 rating.
Thunderbolt Pizza in Long Beach has a 4.5 rating, just 32 miles away, adding 9 minutes. Or Marco's Pizza in Santa Ana has 4.7, 15 miles, adding 15 minutes. Which one sounds good?
Which one do you recommend?
I'd recommend Marco's Pizza in Santa Ana, higher 4.7 rating and rave reviews for fresh ingredients and flavor. It's closer to at 15 miles. Want to navigate there?
Yes, please.
Navigation set to Marco's Pizza in Santa Ana, 21 miles away, about 35 minutes, arriving around 12:33 p.m. Enjoy your pizza.
Are we going to LAX after that?
No, just heading to Marco's Pizza in Santa Ana right now, 21 miles away. Want to add LAX after?
Yes, please.
Route updated. First to Marco's Pizza in Santa Ana, arriving around 12:33 p.m. Then LAX about 46 miles farther. All set.
Thank you, you're dismissed. Hey Grok, I'd like to stop by Target on the way.
The closest Target is at Portola Parkway in Lake Forest, just 1 mile away, adding 7 minutes. Want me to add that as a stop, or pick another like the one in Mission Viejo?
Can you pick another?
The next closest is the Target on Geronimo Road in Mission Viejo, 3 miles away, adding 14 minutes with a 4.3 rating. Add that as a stop or choose another.
Is that closest to the route?
The Target at Spectrum Center Drive in Irvine has the smallest detour at 5 minutes on your route to LAX via I-405 North. Shall I add it as your next stop?
Yes, please.
Added the Target at Spectrum Center Drive in Irvine as your next stop. 11 minutes to arrive there before LAX. Navigation updated.
What about Marco's Pizza?
Marco's Pizza is no longer on the route since we added Target. Your stops are now Target in 10 minutes, then LAX in 51 minutes total. Want to add Marco's back or swap it in?
Can you add Marco's back in?
Added Marco's Pizza back in after Target. Now Target in 10 minutes, then Marco's, then LAX. Route updated.
Thank you, you're dismissed. Overall, Grok is a huge win for hands-free navigation. You can check traffic, add stops, and update your route without ever touching the screen. Just be aware that adding a new stop can occasionally remove other destinations from your route. It's a minor issue, but one worth watching for. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you know a better way to navigate around, drop your ideas in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.